On a chilly night in Glasgow during his 1981 tour, Bruce Springsteen was mid-performance when suddenly the fire alarm blared through the venue. Many artists might have panicked, but not Springsteen. With a twinkle in his eye and his trademark grin, he quipped to his audience, "I guess we just played too hot of a set." The crowd erupted in laughter, appreciating both the unplanned interruption and Bruce's ability to lightheartedly engage them. While the crew scrambled to handle the alarm, Springsteen took it upon himself to entertain the fans, signing autographs and sharing jokes until the concert resumed. This impromptu interlude showcased Springsteen's incredible rapport with his fans, turning an inconvenient mishap into a memorable, communal experience.